Quezon City, it's the Good Night Show. Music from the Hornies and the All The Way Band. With tonight's guest, TV personality and top comedian, Miss Tessie Tomas. Independent film producer, Jordan Sebastian. Veteran film director, Tony Mabessa. Live performances from Ajax. And still, late night hottest sensation, it's JoJo Wade! Woo! Woo! Ah! Thank you! Good evening, welcome to the Good Night Show, guys. Good evening. It's a wonderful Monday. I think it's going to be a week of apologies and pardon. Ano ko? Nakakatuwa nga eh, kasi malapit na akong i-pardon, napakalapit na i-pardon yung Oakwood Mutineers. In fact, sa sobrang lapit, hindi na raw dapat pardon eh, dapat near don. Hindi na par eh. Friends, ito nakakatuwa ha. Si President Erap, diptisan already. Sabi niya raw kay GMA, Madam, pardon mo. Anong pardon mo? Pardon mutineers. Pardon mutineers. Pwede na wala. Bakit si Baggio? Pardon mo din. Ito, friends, si Dinamita Marquez was in town just recently, and this is true ha. Kinukuha siya ng Channel 2 para ilaban kay Manny Pacquiao. Oh, sabi naman ni Manny Pacquiao, di siya, ako kapuso, siya sa Pakmilya. Siba! Nasa to. Si Bayani Fernando, friends, merong movement against Bayani Fernando ha. Ang tawag BF movement. Alam mo kung ano yun? Baba Fosters. Ano ba yan? Lunes na lunes. Buti hindi ako pinasasayaw eh. Wag na. Uy, tama na. Si Chair, andyan? O kita mo naman ha. Lunes na lunes, may greetings tayo kay Bayani Fernando. Chairman, live. Okay, live. Okay, game na ba? O sige, Chairman Bayani Fernando, the floor is yours.
Good evening, Jojo A. At to all the watchers ng Good Night Show. Gusto ko lang i-announce sa inyo na bababa ko na, tatanggalin ko na ang aking mga tarpaulin. Salamat. At papalitan ko ito ng mas maganda na tarpaulin ko rin, ngunit summer ang dating at ko ay naka-bikini at swimming trunks. Siguro naman mas metro gwapo na ang dating nun. Maraming salamat, Jojo A. At pinagbigyan mo ako dito sa iyong Good Night Show. So abangan nyo ang aking bagong tarpaulin, ha? Maganda yon. Walang tulugan. Salamat.
Pare, mahal na mahal kayo talaga.
Pare, hindi mo ba brief si Chairman? Bakit walang tulugan na sinasabi niya? Anyway, we have a great show for you tonight because we have really exciting guests to talk about the movie Ploning. We have industry icons, Tony Mabessa and Miss Tessie Tomas, plus Mr. Jordan from the movie Ploning. Wow! We also have musical performances by Ajax Band. Say hi to my friend Baggio and the Hornies and all the way boys. Stay with us here on the Good Night Show.